Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to add a promotion life event post on Facebook. Whether you've just been promoted or want to celebrate a career milestone, this guide will help you share the news with your friends and followers. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the section that says, "What's on your mind?" This is where you usually start creating posts. Next, scroll through the options until you find the Life Events section. Tap on it to access a variety of categories for life events. Once inside the Life Events menu, select the Work category. This is where you can highlight professional milestones. From here, choose the option labeled Promotion. This will allow you to create a post specifically dedicated to celebrating your new role or achievement. Now it's time to personalize your post. Fill in all the details about your promotion. You can include information like your new job title, the company name, and any other relevant details. After entering this information, tap on Next to proceed. If you'd like, you can also write a description about your promotion. This step is optional but highly recommended if you want to add a personal touch or share how meaningful this milestone is to you. Finally, when everything looks good and you're happy with what you've written, tap on Post. Your promotion life event will now be shared with your Facebook network, letting everyone celebrate this exciting news with you. And that's it. Adding a promotion life event post is a simple yet effective way to share your achievements with friends and family on Facebook. Don't forget to check out other life event options for different milestones in your life. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next video.